Welcome to our first YouTube episode.
First one.
We are on location for our winter shoot right now. So we're about to show you guys some different tips and ways that we do shoots in the wintertime.
So get ready for some snow, cold, and coffee.
Yes, welcome.
Welcome.
Tip number one. You've got to scout your location. You got to know your location before you shoot, obviously. We picked this out a long time ago for our Winter Wonderland shoot, but we didn't know what the weather is going to be like. It's wintertime. Is there going to be a lot of snow? Are we going to be able to drive to the location in a car? Do we need a four-wheel drive? So in our case, we had 13 models, so we needed a car to be able to make it. So scouting your location is super important.
Tip number two. Drone footage. I like to shoot my footage before or after the event, just so the models are not waiting on me, and just because sometimes trying to capture that shot takes some time, and especially in the cold, they get cold real quick just standing there.
Tip number three, setting expectations. So you scouted your location, hopefully you've gotten your drone footage by now. You've got to let the client know what to expect. You do not want your girl showing up in hills in this kind of weather. It's not good for you, it's not good for them, and it's super cold. For our shoot, it was under 30 degrees, so we told them wear snow boots, wear wool socks, have an assistant, a mom, a friend, someone bring blankets. What else do we have them bring? Jackets.
Jackets,
hand warmers, beanies, although they might jack up their hair, but yeah, basically you just, stay warm. Tip number five. So your shot list, you want to have that prepared. You've already prepped your gear. Now you want to make sure you have your shot list ready to go. So this can be as simple or as extensive as you want. It can be as simple as just having 4 shots that you know you're gonna do. I actually do this for all of my shoots, whether it's a winter shoot, a summer shoot, doesn't matter. So that is going to be number 1, your up close shot. So that's usually like a headshot, a face shot. I have my wide angle shot, and that's a great way to capture the landscape. And then there is my third shot, which is usually a movement shot. So they're walking away, they're looking back at me, they're turning their heads, they're walking toward me, all of that. That's just a great way to get emotion to come through. And then the fourth shot is obviously just going to be a still shot, maybe them looking away, looking at the camera, looking off into the distance, looking the other way, so you get to capture a whole bunch of different angles. Then it allows you to assess how comfortable your subject is with being photographed or videoed, and then you can go from there. And a lot of times they bring a lot of really awesome ideas, and so you don't have to be thinking about what to do next. At a winter shoot, it's absolutely important to have these ready to go, because you do not want to have your subject standing in the freezing cold wondering, what do I do next?
Tip number 4, prepping your gear. The night before a shoot, it is crucial that you wipe your memory cards, you charge your battery, clean your lenses, do everything possible that you can. That way when you are at the shoot, you are not having to run back and grab something. Or that is the worst.
Yeah, it's cold out here, so you do not want to be fumbling with memory cards or with batteries or with all of that stuff. And a full battery should get you through a 1 or 2 hour shoot, right? Well, at least that is for photo. How is it for video? Do you need a full?
I keep at least 3 batteries for the drone, just because it is cold and it does tend to drain the battery quicker. And with the gimbal also. So
Yeah. Tip number 6.
Sace.
Get your models moving. So it's wintertime, it's cold. It's cold right now. It's about, what would you say it is?
10 degrees.
It's not 10 degrees. It's probably like 25 degrees. It's still cold nonetheless. Yeah, it's really cold. And so if you keep your models moving, that means that they're gonna stay a little bit warmer. It's gonna keep them from thinking about how cold they are, and you're gonna get better footage that way anyway. So anything to add to that?
No, let's go.
Trust fall. You were gonna let me fall.
Tip number 7.
7.
Having fun. That's basically what this all boils down to, is having a good time. I don't know. But having a good time and having your models feel like they're having fun and relax. And, it's cold.
It's so cold.
Yeah, at the end of the day, that's what it's about.
You gotta have fun. We have fun making these videos, right, babe?
We do. It's so damn cold.
It is so cold. Have fun. Okay, so here's the thing with having fun. If you help your models feel at ease, they're gonna have a great experience. You're gonna have a great experience. And studies have shown, I don't know what studies, but that if the if the model or the subject has fun when they're on the shoot, then they're actually gonna like their photos and their video better.
And that's what it's about, the whole experience.
Yeah, it's about the whole experience, not just about the end product, so. Okay, tip number 8.
Lighting.
Lighting is everything. It's everything in photo and video. It can make the difference of a really, really good product or a really crappy one. And so I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So check out the sky. It's really nice behind us. It's actually beautiful. We're right at sunset. I'm gonna show you guys what happens when we turn our back toward the sky. We're a little darker, our sky's blown out. So we did our shoot at sunset. We had to be mindful. We're gonna show you guys some things that we did that didn't really work so great. So part of that was filming with the sun behind us. We were not using artificial light. So what we were using is we were just using available light. So the sun's behind her right here. She's pretty dark. This image is a little bit better, but still not quite the look that we were going for. Her face is still pretty dark right here. The sky's looking pretty cool though. You go to this shot, a little bit better here, and then we move into the more ideal shot, which is right here. This is really nicely lit. She's facing the sun. It's at a perfect time of day. If all of the shots would have been this, it would have been perfect. The next shot, this was also really nice too, really beautiful, nicely lit, just not consistent with all of the shots. So you want to be mindful of what you're doing the whole time.
Here's an added bonus.
Bonus time. What is it? What is it? Tell us. Tell them.
Bring hot drinks.
Yes.
Hot chocolate.
Hot tea. Hot tamales.
Hot tamales. Hot
Hot cocoa.
horchata.
Bring something. It is really, really cold outside. It is, what are we at now? Oh, it's still 23 degrees. Jordan. Yeah, so it's really cold and bring it. We always say we're gonna do it. We've yet to do it. Add that to the list of things we didn't do well in the shoot. But yeah, it will keep your subjects warm, it'll keep you warm, and it's also good, you know? So today you guys learned a lot about how to prep for a winter shoot, from location scouting, to prepping your gear, to letting your client know what to expect, to dressing warm, to what else? Hot drinks.
Lighting, hot drinks,
Yes.
everything.
Everything that goes with the winter shoot. Okay, probably not everything. So with that said, tell us what we missed. Tell us how you guys prep for a winter shoot. Leave that in the comments below. Tell us what you think we did great. Let us know if you learned anything. Basically just comment on our channel.
Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos and tips on how to do cool photo and video stuff and relationship stuff. And what else?
That's it.
Are you gonna be chewing? Are you serious? You're chewing that. Okay, so
What? You already started?
Is capturing drone footage and all the
which is good. We already talked about that, and I don't know what I'm saying. So, all right.